In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Gamma discoverable on the web and how to track views in the Gamma app so you can understand how your shared project is performing. If you've published a presentation, document, or page in Gamma, this is the easiest way to check whether people are actually seeing it and whether your plan includes analytics or insights. If this helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Gamma.app in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the Gamma project that you've already shared or published. This is important because analytics usually appear for content that has been made available for viewing. Now, look around the project interface for anything labeled Analytics, Insights, Performance, or a similar option. Gamma may place this in a menu, a dashboard panel, or inside the sharing settings depending on your workspace and account type. Click into the Analytics section when you find it. Inside, you should be able to see key data, such as the number of views, engagement activity, or other performance metrics related to your project. This helps you understand whether people are opening your Gamma page and how it's doing after you share it. If you do not see an Analytics option, don't worry just yet. The next thing you should check is whether your Gamma plan supports analytics or advanced performance tracking. Some features may only be available on certain plans, so if the option is missing, your account tier could be the reason. If that's the case, you may need to upgrade or verify which features are included in your current plan. Also, make sure the project is actually published or shared properly, because a private draft usually won't give you the same visibility data. Once everything is set up correctly, you can return to the Analytics area whenever you want to review views and engagement over time. This is especially useful if you're using Gamma for lead generation, content sharing, training material, or any project where visibility matters. So to recap, sign into Gamma, open your published project, find the Analytics or Insights section, review your views and engagement data, and confirm whether your plan includes tracking features if the section isn't visible. Gamma Analytics can give you a much better picture of how your content is performing on the web. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.